I have a really good tip to help you identify negative energy. Yawning. Yes, yawning. Now, I don't mean the kind of yawning when you're tired. Now, this kind of yawning will make you second guess if you're actually tired or not. This yawn is distinct and persistent. So ultimately, what is happening is you are encountering negative energy. And the yawn is just a way for your body to dispel that negative energy. So, ultimate tip of the day, embrace the yawn, expel the yawn with purpose and intention, with a little smoke cleanse afterwards. If you enjoyed that tip, like and follow for more.